Today I'll be showing you the easiest mashed banana recipe ever because there are 4 key ingredients and the outcome is perfectly mashed green bananas. You're going to start off by peeling and soaking your green bananas in water so that they do not oxidize. I've already done that, so it's going to be a very quick recipe. So once everything is prepped, you're going to place a pot over high flame. Next, you're going to be adding in your already clean and sliced green bananas. So I'm going to add in around 3 cups of water and place in my green bananas. Make sure the green bananas are fully submerged in the water so that they can evenly cook. Also, I've placed my green bananas in cold water so that the bananas can evenly cook. So I'm going to season my green bananas with some salt. Add in a generous amount of salt because you want the green bananas to be fully seasoned. Once done, you're going to cover your pot and cook your green bananas until they're soft or until the green bananas are tender. After around 12 minutes, I'm going to check on my green bananas, and using a skewer, I'm going to poke one green banana, and once the skewer can run through, the green bananas are ready. So I'm going to turn off the flames, and please don't overcook your green bananas because they're going to absorb so much water, hence you're not going to have some good mashed green bananas. So I'm going to drain the water from the green bananas in a minute. Once you've drained the water from the green bananas, you're going to remove the lid and let the banana sit for around 2 minutes so that the excess steam can escape. After about a minute, I'm going to add in a knob of butter, and using a potato masher, I'm going to mash my bananas. If you don't have a potato masher, you can use a cup or a bottle, and still the bananas are going to get fully mashed up. The bananas also are mashing up easily because they are fully cooked. If you notice that your green bananas are too dry, add in about a 1/4 cup or a 1/3 cup of the water that you use to boil your green bananas. Mash until the green bananas are looking soft and super light. At this point, I'm going to add in some coriander and mash. This is how my green bananas are looking at this point. They're fully mashed and have a very nice green color from the coriander, which has also added some extra flavor. So I'm going to be serving my green bananas in a bowl just to show you how you can present your green bananas. So you're going to oil your bowl, add in your mashed green bananas. Make sure to press down so that the green bananas can fully occupy the bowl. Add in some more. Remove the excess mashed bananas from your little bowl, and then you're going to invert your bowl on a plate. My mashed green bananas have turned out amazing. I love the buttery taste in the mashed green bananas. Also, they're seasoned to perfection, and the coriander has added a very nice contrast to my green bananas. So this recipe is worth trying. You can serve the mashed green bananas over some beef stew, chicken stew, mutton stew, and enjoy to the fullest. So if you have some green bananas in the house, try out making this very filling mashed green bananas recipe.